If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I promise you you're going to love this video and other tutorials on my channel. If you're new, check them out. All right, guys, as you can see, I am not looking in my camera. So guys, I'm going to be using this particular video to show you how to redirect your eye contact with your camera when you actually create videos. Probably you were shooting using a script on a phone somewhere or something like that, or you were just off or so. You can actually redirect your eye back to your camera using this particular um tutorial I'm going to show you. It's just a one-touch icon on the CapCut app. Very easy to use. And guys, you know me now, I love CapCut app so much. So guys, let's get right into this video and let me show you how it's done just immediately in the shortest of time.
So guys, this is my CapCut app. What I'm going to do next is taking the video of your new project.
Hey guys.
So I've added a video. What I'm going to do is mute that video so you can hear me talk. So I'll just take off the entire volume. So I'll just mute the clip right here so you can hear me talk. So what you're going to do next, as you can see, I will be looking right away. So that's from here. So let's cut out the remaining parts. So okay guys, if you look at it, I'm not looking at the camera. It's very obvious. So guys, what I'm going to do is when you tap on the video, you're going to see this icon here, eye contact. Click on eye contact and activate it. So it's activated, guys. Can you see the video? So this is what we got. This was the way it was able to reconnect our eye contact. So guys, can you see this actually helped? So
I'm sure you enjoyed that tutorial. That was another one from me, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying put. See you in my next video.